Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change the font size in this device. So in this device you can see this is the default font size. So let me show you how to change the font size. For this, go to settings and tap on the display and brightness. Then again scroll down. Here you can see the option font. Tap on this one. Now you can see now the font size is default. If you want to increase the font size, then medium and large. You can see the change, right? This is small, default, medium and large. So here I am going to change the font size to medium, and after that tap on apply. Now you can see the font size is increased. So same this way you can increase the display size also. If you tap on this one, now there is three display size: small, standard, large. So here I am going to change the display size to large. You can see the display size is increased. You can see. So simply in this way you can change the font size in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.